Sell your fixer-upper fast. When the Kins learned they needed to relocate quickly, they worried about selling their aging home in time. Repairs, open houses, and waiting for the right buyer felt overwhelming and nearly impossible on a tight schedule. That's when they discovered sellmyfixerhome.com, the Southern California specialists in fast, straightforward home sales. Instead of pouring money into costly upgrades, the Kins reached out and received a fair, all-cash offer within days. There were no agent commissions, no hidden fees, and no endless negotiations, just a simple process managed by experts who value your time and peace of mind. sellmyfixerhome.com, backed by Nanda Realty, handles everything from start to finish. Forget about repairs or cleaning, your home is purchased exactly as it stands. Their team manages the paperwork, coordinates the closing, and ensures you're paid promptly, often in less than a week. If you need to sell a fixer-upper quickly and want to avoid the traditional headaches, sellmyfixerhome.com is your solution. Visit their website, request your no-obligation cash offer, and move on to your next chapter with confidence.